Kyoto. Here is everything I packed for my month trip to Japan. And today is my last day in Kyoto. I just finished getting ready, as you can tell. I am staying at the Moxie Hotel. It's a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend if you are in Kyoto to come here. Now I'm going to this cafe that I'm obsessed with. Today's gonna be the third day in a row that I go. This honey cinnamon latte. Oh. It's so good. Let's see what we get up to today. I feel a lot better today for some reason. Don't know why. Let's go. So I just came back to the room to drop off some things, but everyone is staring at me because I'm wearing shorts. Like, you would think wearing shorts was a crime because people are like, but whatever, I'm still gonna wear my shorts because I feel cute, and we're gonna go about the day. I love this area, and I love the Imperial Gardens. Kyoto National Garden, located in the center of Tokyo City, is a rectangular shaped estate covered in dark green scenery. Approximately 50,000 trees grow inside the garden. I love coming to the park because I feel like when you travel, everything is just consumerism. Everything is just capitalism. You buy food, you go shopping, you go to things that require you to like pay. When you're at a park or in like public gardens, there's no exchange of money. You can just exist with the trees, and you can just exist and just be. And that's all I want to do when I travel, and it's so nice to just be with the trees and not have to consume anything. We in this beach, finna get wet. Eyebrows on fleek, the fuck. It's raining. I don't know if you can tell. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Oh my god, this angle. I am on my way to Matcha House, which I've been wanting to go to since I freaking got here. They have the matcha tiramisu that's super popular. So I just got back from Matcha House. The tiramisu was actually really good. Now I know why it's so popular.
It's worth the hype.
Now I'm going to pack because tomorrow I am going to Tokyo. Here's what we're dealing with: clothes and things everywhere. Here is everything I packed for my month trip to Japan. So I brought 18 t-shirts. I brought a couple of different bottoms. We have the red pants. We have the ripped blue jeans. We have the black jeans. We have the jorts. We have the shorts. We have the black skirt. We have the navy skirt. And we have the beige skirt. We love variety. Here are all the shoes that I brought. We have these A6 sneakers in white, these black Pumas, these white sneakers from Nordstrom's Rack, my Doc Martens that I've had for 4 years now that have not failed me, these platform boots from H&M that I got a million years ago. Formal shoes from Nordstrom's rack that were for concerts or just nice events. Plain old open-toed flats. And finally, some flip-flops.
In case I needed them.
You need the most room so you can bring things back to America from Japan. So you're gonna wanna roll your clothes and you're gonna wanna donate a lot of what you brought. These are gifts. This bag full of gifts. And this bag from Daiso full of gifts. So now let's talk about toiletries because I brought too much stuff. I like having everything in a separate bag because I know where the exact location of that thing is, and it just makes getting ready that much easier. We have our makeup bag full of makeup. We have our rings and earrings. We have a bag for just necklaces. We have a bag for hair care, brushes, bobby pins, hair ties, everything. Then I have lipsticks and my menstrual cup, because if you know, you know. I brought my full containers of my curling cream and my gel, a bag for my bras, bag for my underwear, a microfiber towel, a bag of socks, and a bag for soaps, lotions, deodorant, skincare, everything else that you can imagine. This bag. But look at my sink right now. Dun, 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 dun. Like, yikes, babe. That's rough. Now that's pretty much everything that I brought. If you are planning on staying in one place for 1 to 2 weeks, girl, bring as much as you want. But for me, I'm in Japan for a month. I was traveling a little bit through the country. I brought, for the first time in my life, a 50-pound bag and a carry-on bag. And that was probably one of the worst decisions I've ever made because it made it so difficult to travel. So bring a backpack and a carry-on, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it could help you when you are packing for your trip to Japan or anywhere in the world. And I'll see you in the next video.